Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 17. And in this lesson, we're going to be talking again, just like in Lesson 16, about being able to add ones and ones or tens and tens. The big part about this is to make sure that we're adding like units, which means if we're going to add ones together, that means we're going to add ones and ones. We're not going to add ones and tens, just ones and ones to make it easy, or tens and tens to start off to make it easier at the end. So now looking at this, 17 plus 20 equals blank. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to break apart the number that has tens and ones. So I know 17 has 10, 7, the 10 way. Now I'm going to add like units, so I'm going to add tens because 20 has no ones, so I know I'm going to have to add tens. So 20 plus 10 equals 30. And now I'm going to add 7 and 30 together to make 37. But now if you see this lovely little addition sentence at the bottom that we have to fill out, we're going to use 30 and 7. So 30 plus 7 equals 37. So 17 plus 20 equals 37. Now I'm going to draw my picture to check. So I know I'm going to draw 17. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then I'm going to do 20. So 10, 20. So I'm going to count to make sure it's the same. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yep, check. Same thing. Alright guys, that's it for this video.